Hello, sir. How have you been?
I have been good.
That's crazy. Hello, everyone. My name is Anurag Tiwari. Once again, I'm here with a new video where I will be showing you one of my results. Abhi is going to speak in English with me. It is his first video. For the very first time, he is going to perform speaking in English and Insight Academy English. So, the intention of the video, this video is made with a view to showcasing you all of you that how they are going to perform, what they are doing, due to which today they are able to speak in English. So let's understand the whole game. Abhi is able to understand or speak in English or not. Let's get started. Hello, sir. How have you been?
I have been good.
What's your name?
My name is Abhi Chaudhary.
Abhi Chaudhary. Where do you live?
I live in Delhi, Budhvia Phase 2.
Delhi Budvihar Phase 2.
Two.
Okay. Are you fond of driving cars?
I am not fond of driving cars.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a car.
What's the name of the car?
The name of the car is Marazzo.
Marazzo. Are you able to drive that?
I am not able to drive that.
Will you like to learn in future?
Yeah, I would like to learn in future.
That's crazy. You are speaking too good. What's your full name?
My full name is Abhi Chaudhary.
How many brothers do you have?
I have one sister and two cousins.
One sister and two cousins.
Cousins.
Okay. Do you like your cousins?
Yes, I like my cousins.
Are you elder one or younger one?
I am younger one.
Okay. So do you get beaten by them?
Yes, I get beaten by them.
How do you feel when you get beaten by them?
I I feel very bad.
Really, you feel very bad.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have your personal phone?
No, I don't have my personal phone.
Whom do you like most? Your father or your mother?
I like my father most
Your father. Why do you like your father?
because he gives me money.
I like my father.
I like my father because he gives me money.
So your mother does not give you money?
No, she does not give me money.
Really?
Yeah.
She beats you
Yeah, she beats me.
and your father does not beat you?
He beats me sometimes.
Only sometimes.
Yeah.
Are you fond of eating cakes?
No, I'm fond of eating cakes sometimes.
Sometimes. What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is playing badminton.
Badminton.
Yeah.
Are you good at playing badminton?
No, I'm not good of playing badminton better.
Are you fond of playing cricket?
No, I'm not fond of playing cricket.
Are you fond of playing kho?
No, I'm not fond of playing kho.
Do you have any female friend?
No, I don't have any female friend.
Do you like girls?
Sometimes I like girls.
Don't you feel that they have attitude, something like that?
No, I don't feel that.
Is Arpit your brother?
It's cousin.
Yeah. Is Arpit your cousin?
Yeah, he is my cousin.
So, like, do you know Arpit does not like girls?
I think he does not like girls.
Yeah. What do you eat most?
I eat Rajma Chawal most.
Have you ever been to Taj Mahal?
No, I have not been to Taj Mahal.
Have you ever been to Mumbai?
No, I have not been to Mumbai.
Do you know who is Virat Kohli?
No, yes, I know who is Virat Kohli. He is a cricketer.
He is a cricketer. Do you
Yeah.
like him?
Yeah, I like him.
Okay. Are you like in the habit of going to school on a regular basis?
Yeah, I have a habit of going to school on the regular basis.
Okay. Do you take your periods?
Yes, I take my periods.
Do you get beaten in your school?
No, I do not get beaten by ma'am or sir.
Do you get beaten in your school?
No, I do not get beaten in school.
Okay. Amar, you are being recorded in the video. Okay. Do you like me?
Yeah, like you.
But when I beat you, how do you feel?
I feel very bad that I am not doing good. That yesterday also happened that.
Okay. So why do you not study?
I was thinking that I was able to speak, but yesterday you take our conditional sentences converse. I was very feeling nervous, so that's why yesterday I also get beaten by you. On that day, yesterday only I studied.
Okay. After getting beaten, you studied.
Yeah,
So before getting beaten, you had not studied.
no sir.
This is not a good thing for you, you know.
Yes, I know that.
Okay. Do you go to school?
Yeah, I go to school.
Do you have any best friend?
Yeah, I have any best friend.
I have a best friend.
I have a best friend.
What is his or her name?
His name is Ansh.
Ansh. Why is Ansh your best friend?
He is my best friend because he do very well in studies.
He does.
He does very well in studies.
He is good at studies.
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
Are you not good at studies?
I'm good, but not that much.
What do you think? Why are you not that much good?
Because I feel that I cannot do this, or I can't learn this question. That's why
Well, your friend is able to speak in English with you or not?
he is not able to speak with me in English.
So, why do you feel that you are not able to do
He can speak in English, but he's not speaking English frequently.
fluently?
Yeah.
Do you know that chapter that you have completed? If you ask questions on the basis of that chapter, so he will not be able to answer you.
Yeah, you can say that.
No, it's reality. I can't only say that. Okay. Now, Abhi, tell me something about your mother, the nature of your mother. What does she do?
She is a housewife, and she do the work of she does the work of house, and she loves me most, but I don't like him her, sorry. And she makes food very well.
She cooks food very well,
Yeah.
but you never
Yeah.
got anything for me.
Yes, sir. I will bring.
Okay. Do you go to park?
Yeah, I go to park at Sunday
Why do you go to park?
because
I go to park.
I go to park because I like to play there.
What do you
And
like to play in the park?
I like to play Pagram Pagra, or you can say hide and seek.
Okay. How many players play with you?
Uh, there are three players who plays with me.
Only three players play with you. Okay. Do you have any friend in your street?
No, I don't have any friend in street.
Do you like your street people?
Sometimes I like street people.
And what do you hate most?
I hate most that some peoples are there who give abuse very badly.
Really?
Yeah.
You hate that?
Yeah.
Okay. So, does your father abuse?
I have ever
I have never seen my father
I have never seen my father
Abusing.
to give abusing.
बहुत सही. Does your brother abuse?
He abuses sometimes.
He abuses.
He abuses sometimes.
Do you abuse?
I abuse.
You abuse.
Yeah.
Okay.
But not that much.
Yeah, I know. And what about Shlok? Do you know Shlok? Who is Shlok?
Yeah, he is my friend.
Nowadays he is not coming to tuition. Do you know why?
I don't know. He do not come to school or tuition because of he has a fever, or you can
Yeah,
say
he has some problems.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you watch my videos?
Yeah, I watch your videos.
How old are you?
I'm 11 year old.
Sorry, 11-year-olds.
Uh,
11 years old.
I'm 11 years old.
What is your favorite cartoon?
My, my favorite cartoon is Doraemon.
Doraemon.
Yeah.
What is the favorite character?
My favorite character is Nobita.
Nobita.
Yeah.
Why do you like Nobita?
Because
I like Nobita.
I like Nobita because when he asked some gadget for Doraemon to give, when Doraemon does not give gadgets, he cries. He cry, and I like that.
You like that thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Don't you like Motu and Patlu ki jodi?
No, I don't like that.
You don't like that?
No.
Are you not in the habit of watching that cartoon?
I don't have a habit of watching that cartoon.
Okay. Do you think that in future you will be able to speak English fluently without making mistake in a fast manner?
Yeah, you are right. I will be able to speak English in future very fluently. You can
Very fluently.
say. Fluently.
Okay, that's crazy. But you need to study hard at your home.
Yes, sir. You are right.
But why don't you study? Don't you think that when you not make mistakes, when you speak English fluently and the people watch you, the people say, oh my god, he's speaking so good. So it feels very good. Like you feel from the inner of your soul, inwardly you think that, oh my god, I'm doing crazy.
Yeah, I feels that only, but there are so many students of 78 batch who speaks very well. I also want to speak like them only.
Yesterday I shoot a video for presentation, topic presentation. This is the first video of our whole Insight Academy where they were lecturing about a particular topic. So you need to watch that video.
Okay, sir.
In that video you will get to know that what is the real power of speaking in English.
Okay, sir.
They were told just the topic name and now they are flawlessly speaking on the topic in a fluent manner without making mistakes. although they are making mistake, but that doesn't mean that they are not doing good. Okay, now are you fond of wandering?
Yes, I am fond of wandering.
Have you ever been to India Gate?
Yeah, I have been to India Gate 2 times.
2 times. With whom did you go?
Uh, one day I went with my family and my uncle, and one day I went to hospital for see my you can say my bhaiya
Okay.
on
Do
that
you
day.
steal money?
No, I don't steal money.
Really?
Yeah,
Whenever do you have a need, suppose you need money, so who do you ask?
I asked from my father only.
You ask your father.
Yeah,
Does your father give you money?
he is able to give me money if he he does not have money, so he he says to me that go to that Arpit's father and say to him that give me money and I will give money to him. That's
Okay, so this was his first video and he has performed too good. Now the ball is in your court. It means now you have to ask me questions, and in the same manner you have to ask question like I am asking so fast. I know that I'm doing it, but I'm doing it for the sake of you.
video that there was topic phone and laptop, and this that video was very, you can say, they were not speaking very well. So why were they not speaking very well?
They were not speaking very well just because of the fact that there was a camera, first thing, and the second thing is that it was a debate. When you are in a debate, you don't get the time to think.
Yeah,
On the moment you have to think, at the moment you have to speak, so it becomes very hard. And there were like only few people who were speaking, only three of them were speaking, only two of them were speaking. It takes time to be that confident about debate and such kind of skills. It takes time.
who is the best student in this tuition?
Best means what? There are many students who are best in my opinion, but if you say me that I have to choose only one,
Yeah,
so I can't say anyone. And let me first of all watch the presentation, and on the basis of that presentation I will decide. And I hope that Sweetie will win the game.
okay. Sir, I think you are doing some challenge in 78 batch of presentation.
Yeah, I'm doing some challenges in 7 to 8 batch for presentation, and they are completely not allowed to speak in Hindi anymore. And they don't even speak Hindi in class, but I don't know whether they are speaking Hindi or English outside the class.
Hindi.
They speak Hindi.
Yeah.
Okay, I will again beat them, and I keep beating them just because of the fact that I want them to speak in English everywhere, so that suppose whenever they are anywhere in the world, if they speak English, people will notice them, people will ask them, and they will feel confident about themselves. Then they will categorically say that I have studied by Anurag sir, and there was a tuition in Sat Academy English. There used to be a tuition there in Sat Academy English, and I have studied from there.
Okay. So if you get a chance to wander whole world instead of going out of India, so where would you like to go?
Instead of going out of India, or apart from going out of India.
Apart from going out of
Okay.
India.
So apart from going out of India, I would like to go. You can say Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
Why?
Because I have heard a lot of about Australia. I would not like to settle anywhere. I am comfortable in my country and I'm very happy in my country. First of all, but the people don't have civic sense here, so I would like to shift to Australia, but only for a while.
Which is the country who makes very noises, or you can say who lives very well?
Very well.
Yeah.
There is a country, I don't remember the name, and it was in the first position in index report that was released by the society, and I don't remember the name, but I will let you know.
Okay. Is Mumbai is the best city in the world?
No, not at all. Neither Mumbai is the best city nor Delhi is the best city. You are living in city. There are many reasons for that. The first reason is that you want to study. You want to get a high quality of education. That's why you are living in city. And the second reason is that you want to get a job. Your father wants to get a job. He cannot get a job in the village. That's why he's living there. Nobody's desires of living in city. Okay, you are living in city by compromising a lot of things. Like I am compromising with my air, with the accidents, with the quality issues, with health issues. A lot of issues are there in countryside. But if you go to village, so there are no issues like that. But there is poverty. People are not able to earn money in that amount. There is no facility. In the name of facility, there is nothing. So these are the reasons why people live in city.
Sir, do you know that there are so many students who makes your name very, you can say, bad? Do you know that?
Really?
Yeah,
I don't know that. How do they do that?
I cannot say to you, but if I say to you, then they can do anything, because I think you can say to me that I am his or her friend.
Okay, in which class do they study?
And they study in 5 to 6 batch only.
5 to 6 batch only.
Yeah.
So do they sit here or they sit there?
Some sits in that room, and there is no people who teaches your name in this room.
Okay.
But I have heard from that room
What do they say? Like,
that one day you beat someone. He was teasing your name, and he was saying bad words to you.
where was he saying?
He was saying
Outside the tuition.
outside the tuition.
With whom was he speaking?
He was speaking to me only.
He was saying to you.
Yeah,
And I have beaten that guy.
yeah.
Who was the guy?
Sir, I cannot tell you that.
Okay, after the video.
Yeah.
So, do you have anything else to ask?
No, now I don't
So
have
it was his
any.
first video. He has performed well. See you soon in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.